So guys, welcome back to IFIXTech. Today I have a SATA SSD 2TB drive. They claim this is high-speed, very reliable SSD drive, and it's from the brand Vansuny. Let's take it out of the box and a single glance is very simple. We see the Vansuny logo with the solid state drive. Let's remove it from the plastic. It has a beautiful matte color and the Vansuny. Turn it over and we're gonna see the solid state drive 2TB and some of the specifications. Also, this is a SATA III SSD and it's very nice to see that it has all the certification required for this product. You can use this drive in any scenario. Let's say you want to use it as your main drive for your computer, for your gaming console because you need more space, or only as a backup device. That's the way I'm gonna test it right now. With this device, I'm able to just connect it and use it as an enclosure. I'm pretending to use the disk as a backup. If you hear that sound and that blue light, means that my computer is reading the disk. You probably won't see it right away until you initialize the disk. You will do so on that disk manager. That sound means that our disk is ready to go. Now you can go to property to configure the capacity. Let's give a new name to this one. Now let's do some speed tests. Here I have a bunch of files that I've been working on. When you go to property, we have, I believe, about 18 something gigabits. Now what we're gonna do is copy all these and paste it on our new IFIXTech backup drive that we just set up, and let's see how long does it take. And I think it's going very quick. It's impressive. As you can see, the numbers, like the increasing number of the percentage, it takes less than a second for each number to increase. Let's do a quick skip. Yeah, I mean, it's going really quick. We have to take into consideration the cable that you are using. This time is connected through a USB-C cable and also the port. But imagine if you are using this as your primary disk, like connected directly to the computer with no cables in between. It's gonna be much faster. Okay, we just skip it till the end, but I will say that the whole time it was like 50 seconds or maybe less. Now let's go to property and see the size of the files we just copied, and yeah, same amount. Something to highlight is Vansuny say that read and write speed is being upgraded on this disk. They say you can transfer up to 500 megabytes per second, which that's really fast. I've been copying to and from the hard drive, and yeah, it will do it really fast. It will stay on the 400s, maybe 300 and something, but that really depends on the cable that you are using. I guess if you connect the disk straight to the computer, you will get those 500 megabytes per second. Now I'm going to repeat the process but with a different drive. This time it's a SATA but not SSD. Before we continue, if you find any value in this video, go ahead, subscribe, join. We're doing a lot of video for our community. Don't forget to leave your like. This will really help us to get to more people. Share to anybody that you think that have to see this video. Also, if my video helped you and you would like to show your appreciation, you can send a super thanks via YouTube. This helps us continue making more videos. And as you can see, it's going much slower. Let's just skip a little bit till here, waiting for it. Now 35%, and as you see, the increasing numbers take more than a second to each number increase. Still here, we're still reading this disk. Now 40 something percent, 76, just skip it a little bit, 96, and let's skip until the end. To be honest, I'm very impressed with the speed of this disk. If what you want is to improve your gaming performance and store all your games, or maybe just do files backup, this Vansuny SSD drive will definitely help you with that. It is universal plug and play. It will fit most laptop, PC, any computer pretty much, supporting major operating system and applications. On Amazon we see Vansuny have different capacity from 128 gigs to 2TB, which is really nice, and for 109 this 2TB is really awesome. If you want it, I will leave the link down in the description. Don't forget to like, subscribe, join us for exclusive content, and I'll see you in the next video.